Hey guys, Anthony here again today, and today I got a special box from Amazon. I just got it, I totally forgot about it because I pre-ordered this months ago. But it's basically the Overwatch Collector's Edition, and I'm gonna drop the link below right now, and you can see on Amazon, just a few people rated it because I guess people started getting it today. But it's about 130 bucks, but check it out. The price is probably gonna drop, but let's see what's in it. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and show you guys what's in. Right, a lot of tape. I totally forgot today was the 23rd, and I think the Blizzard servers just came live. All right, nice sturdy box. Got a typical cardboard, and wow, here it is. This is Overwatch from Blizzard, and I got the PC version because computer I got is pretty powerful. But I might actually get the PS4 version too for you guys. But right now, let's see what's in here. So get this plastic off. Wow. Beautiful box, guys. Check it out. You got the characters, the heroes. You got Blizzard. Very nice box. Let me move the camera down a little bit. Hope that's better. And this is, again, I said, rated teen, and it's the PC version. So let's see what it comes in. Supposedly you get a collector's figure, some books. I'm not sure what else, but let's open it up. All right. Need my unboxing knife. Open this up. Try to keep it mint. Might just put this on my bookshelf as a nice display. I think the art looks wonderful. I actually haven't read reviews about the gameplay yet. I know about 10 million people downloaded the beta and were playing it, but I didn't have time yet to try. Oh, that's really cool. Check it out. So this is the box after you take the sleeve off, and you can slide it open. It's a really heavy duty box, guys. I mean, this box itself probably cost at least 10 bucks to make. And here it is. Let's open it up. Wow. Whoa. That's a big figure. Soldier 76. Okay, let's put that aside for now. See what else is in the box. Put the styrofoam away. Alright. And I think this is the game. It's a nice book. Let's see. I think it's Velcro. Yep. Try to get this out for you guys. Oh, a nice book. Really nice packaging. Amazing, actually. Amount of detail they did for this collector's edition. And this one has all the, I guess, all the characters and the story and the weapons. Check it out. Really nice collector's edition. And you also get, let's see, what's in here. I think this is the actual game. And, oh, wow. A bunch of, oh, let me not show you guys those codes. Guess guest passes and hero cards. Really nice postcards, I guess these are. Really nice. This is amazing. I mean, well worth the extra money for the collector's edition. And wow, the even comes with a soundtrack, unheard of. So I think that's it, guys. I mean, I'm gonna actually install this and check it out. Let you guys know what I think later in the comments. But it looks really good. Let me actually open up this box to show you the figure, and it basically shows you how to make it right here. Here's instructions. And let me move back a little bit, show you guys what the collector's figure is too. Again, really well packaged. So supposedly you can make it to look like this guy right here. Let's see what's in the styrofoam. Need my unboxing knife again. Really well packaged. I mean, they really took the time to do this. Okay, here it is. Whoa, nice, and it's super nice. Wow. Wow, look at the details on this guy. Really solid made. I mean, I actually have the, I don't know if you guys remember my PS4 video. I mentioned I got the collector's edition for Street Fighter, but I never actually bothered to do an unboxing for that. And the reason why was the packaging wasn't that great. And actually when I opened it myself, I noticed that the figure, which was Ryu, was poorly constructed. The paint wasn't that good. It just felt really cheap. But this one is super solid and comes with a super heavy base. And I mean, I'll talk more about the Ryu one if you guys want, but seriously, this is a great like figurine, like statue. It's super heavy, super well constructed, and super stable. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave your comments below and I'll let you guys know what I think of the actual game. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Overwatch Collector's Edition. Until then, take care and see you guys in the next video.